Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to get $35 promo code on Postmates. So if you also want to get $35 promo code on Postmates, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar. Now type in www.couponfollow.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Coupon Follow. Over here you'll be able to find the promo codes for several stores. You can see a search bar over here. All you have to do is click on it. Now simply type in Postmates. Now the option for Postmates will appear over here. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to find several promo codes for Postmates. Scroll down for more options. You can get the promo codes for $10 off, $30 off, 20% off, 70% off, $20 off, $100 off, 10% off, $20 off, etc. If you search more, you may also be able to find the promo code for $35 off. Once you find it, simply click on the option Show Coupon Code. Now you can see the coupon code over here. You can directly redeem it at Postmates. Simply click on the option Redeem at Postmates, or you can also copy this code. Simply click on the option Copy. Now you can apply this code directly in your account, or you can also apply this code during checkout. So that is how you get $35 promo code on Postmates. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.